Welcome to the new lesson about scripting in Thyme language of Algodoo. In this lesson, the first command I am going to show you is app.drawcollissions. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's draw a polygon first. Now let's make the value of drawcollissions to true. As soon as it becomes true, the collision lines become visible. If you make them false, these lines will disappear. Now let's force the object into the ground while simulation is running. Now pause the simulation and press it against the ground. Rotate it to see the collision line clearly. You can see that lines are visible now. But if you make the value of app.alwayscalccontacts to false and move the object inside the ground while simulation is paused, you will see that collision lines are not visible anymore. When the simulation is running, these lines are visible, but when the simulation is paused, those lines do not appear. Now make it true. Now the lines also move with the object. Wherever you move the object, the lines appear there with it. Similarly, if you draw another object, the collision lines appear even there when they collide. You don't see such lines when it is false. Let me show you another command, app.drawvertices. Now make its value true. Draw a polygon. You will see these dots on the sides of the polygon. This is because drawvertices is true. Now make its value false. These dots are now gone. Our next commands are minpointdist and maxpointdist. Let's make their values 1 and 5 respectively. Draw a line, move it. You see that line bends at a shorter distance because our minpointdist is 1. Now make it 4. Draw a line again. Move your mouse. You see it doesn't bend at a shorter distance. It will bend when its minimum length becomes equal to 4. Now make their values even bigger. Now while drawing polygon, the line will bend at a longer distance. It will not bend before minpointdist and it must bend before maxpointdist. So it will not bend before 8, but it will bend before 10. I mean, the line cannot be drawn straight beyond 10 because it's the maximum distance. When their values are bigger, the smooth circle cannot be drawn because for circle, the line must bend at very short distances. To make a circle, you must decrease its values. Our today's last command is borderselectedwidthfactor. The larger the value, the wider the border of the selected object. Make its value as 1. Select an object. Now increase the value. You will see the width of the border of the selected object also increases. So that was enough for today. Till next, bye.